Protecting your eyes and face while you're cutting and grinding is crucial. Pretty much any time you're in a shop, you always want to have a pair of clears on, even underneath your welding helmet. Now, when you're talking about using a 4.5-inch angle grinder, or any angle grinder for that matter, you should probably be wearing a full face clear shield. What can happen during grinding is if you crack or a chunk of the disc comes off, the disc can explode, basically ripping itself apart, coming off at the grinder, usually about 11,000 RPM. Anything that's not protected by a leather or plastic more than likely is going to go into you in some regard. So you kind of want to avoid that. Now, while you are doing any kind of oxygas cutting or plasma cutting, you're normally going to want to wear a 5-shade shield. That's on your shade settings. So a lot of times you can have singular shade goggles like this, or some welding helmets have a cutting feature specifically allocating their 3 to 5 shade shield for oxygas cutting and plasma cutting. But when you are doing either, make sure you're very well protected. You don't want debris or sparks going into your face or eyes, and you want to keep your vision.